Today, we're gonna deep fry a classic dish.
But we don't know what it is.
Happy Friday! We've pulled hundreds and hundreds of recipes from these classic cookbooks.
And put them in our big old recipe box.
We'll each spin the Friday big wheel to see what type of dish we'll be deep frying.
Then that type of recipe is randomly pulled from the big old recipe box.
If you don't think the dish will deep fry, you've got 2 more shots.
But if you get to the 3rd recipe, you have no choice but to deep fry it.
Now, we can go pick up the dish,
Or we can make it ourselves.
then we'll each deep fry our randomly selected dish.
And we'll let you know if it's a fry yay
Or a fry nay. Here we are again.
Yay.
Well, welcome to episode 2.
2 people, that's number 2.
The Friday still scares me to death.
Oh, I love it. It actually gives me, it tests my ability.
Well, that's true. It definitely tests both of our abilities so much.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's quickly review our categories on the old Friday wheel.
Yay.
So we've got appetizers, we've got breakfast brunch, we've got the dreaded soups and salads, we've got handhelds, and we've got beef.
Beef, yes. All right, we've got poultry, pork, seafood, sides, and desserts, which I always want.
Yeah, well, wait until you get like a Boston cream pie or something.
Oh, hey.
That would be good. Anything fried could
Yay.
be good. It's just figuring out how to fry it.
All right, are we ready to spin the wheel?
I don't know if I
and
am.
have we learned any lessons from last time?
Yes, why are we doing this? All right, you go first this time.
All right. Oh, I'm so scared.
Remember, we get 3 tries. You can either stick with the category or you can move on to another category if
no.
you don't like what you got.
And where's Vanna? Is she taking the day off?
She's ate too much fried food.
All right, here we go. Oh,
It's gonna be.
oh, this makes me nervous.
Oh, it's awesome. You always get breakfast brunch.
All right,
Breakfast brunch is a good one.
It is. All right. It has a lot of options.
It really
Okay.
does.
I
Well,
love
a lot
options.
of options that can be deep fried.
Okay.
Okay, what is
You
it?
all ready? Ham and cheddar omelet.
Oh boy, you know what's funny is that I love that we can go out and get stuff, but we haven't made. I love cooking things, and that you could make.
I'm gonna do it. Yes, I'm gonna do it.
The first one.
That's
wow.
it. Yes.
A ham and
Well,
cheese omelet.
Yeah. Well, last week I had spent 3 times.
I know you did. You were flirting with disaster. All right, I guess it's my turn now.
Yay.
Okay, here we go.
Come on.
Oh boy, come on, wheel, be good to me.
Come on, wheel.
Wheel of fortune. Fry wheel.
Give them soups and salads.
Oh, it almost gave me soups and salads. Okay, we've got handheld. So that's anything that you can hold in your hand.
Yeah, I love that.
That's edible. Oh boy. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. A stromboli, any kind of filling. That would be good. You know what's funny is you could really, well, the rules are you could deep fry it as is, but you have to give it some sort of a breading or coating.
That's difficult.
Yeah, I love a fried stromboli. Sounds like it should already be a thing. I'm gonna spin again. I'm gonna spin again.
All right.
Okay.
You've got 3 chances. I don't know if he told you that.
I did.
All right.
I
was too involved.
You were asking me about Vanna. Okay, please be good. Oh, it's
Another handheld. You were stuck on the handheld.
I'm hand holding the handhelds.
All right.
Okay, here we go. Oh gosh, watch it be like a sloppy Joe. I don't know.
Oh, wow. Okay. The tension is palpable.
I'm trying, in my mind, I'm thinking, how would I bread this and how would I deep fry it? All right, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a deep fried sloppy Joe.
I love it, and I'm doing an omelet.
Oh my gosh. All
That
right.
sounds like the breakfast of
I
champions.
know, it's a meal that'll really come back on you. So we've got 3 hours
Yay.
to either go get it
Yes.
or come back here and make it.
And you can use a binder. Just a reminder, you can use a binder.
One binder.
Or you can use a casing, like a crust.
Right. Okay, here we go. Woo-hoo. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and make the sloppy joes. When I was a kid, and still to this day, my mom would make them, except she would call them, well, and her mother would make them, she called them juicy burgers. And so Wesley calls them runny burgers for whatever reason, but they're like sloppy joes. They're so delicious. They're just like ground hamburger, and you just add ketchup and some seasoning, and that's it. But my only issue that I have to figure out is how am I gonna be able to batter this or bread it and keep it all like cohesive. So I got to think through that, but I've got some ideas. All right, I'm heading into the store. So I love to always have some sort of like a sauce, like a dipping sauce. And when I was a kid and mom would make Rennie burgers or juicy burgers, she would always do that, you know, that Rotel with Velveeta. It's like a queso. It was my favorite. So I think I'm gonna do some sort of a riff on that. So in Texas, this dip is so popular, they actually have the Rotel and the Velveeta together. Perfect.
Okay, well, I've decided to make my omelet. I'm so excited. But I don't know whether or not I should do a sweet batter or a savory batter. Well, decisions. Well, maybe I'll be inspired in the store.
So you're making yours?
Well, I'm at the grocery store.
Well, I'm making mine too.
Oh.
So I'll see you at the fryer.
So I'm totally inspired. I think I'm going sweet. Look what I found. Hungry Jack, yay.
Okay, I don't know. I'm really second guessing myself. I think I should have gone for a third one.
Yeah, well, I think you
What do
tried.
you mean, yeah?
You tried.
I mean,
you tried to sabotage me at the store. Is what I want to talk about.
No. I was just, so you're cooking. Okay, so I'm basically going to be breading bread and then frying it. So who knows?
That's so funny. I was thinking that, but you decided to go with it.
It's going to be great. I'm not going to second guess myself anymore. It's going to be delicious.
I want all of your dipping sauces. What
I know. That's coming. Okay, so let me talk about my delicious sloppy joes, or as in our house we call them juicy burgers.
I call them runny burgers,
which is silly because they're not runny. I'd always say, like, why do you call them runny burgers?
Because I couldn't remember juicy.
I know. So all you do, it's super easy. I just threw some hamburger in a hot skillet and then cooked that and then seasoned it with just a little salt and pepper and then added some ketchup and then added some beef stock. And because I love it, I added a little more Rotel, and you just you cook that until it gets nice and thick.
That's a good sloppy joe.
There's something about, you're thinking like ketchup, but it really transforms into a delicious thing. So, okay, so now tell us about.
Well,
I've already told. Well, I'll go ahead and say this.
Yeah.
So I thought all different ways when we last met at the store.
Much easy
I know.
here, yeah.
Yours is a piece of cake. I thought about like forming a bun ball around the meat, or forming the meat around the bun, and that it just.
I love a bun ball.
I love a good bun ball too, but I didn't think it was going to work. So what I'm going to do, folks, bear with me. Let's all say a little, good luck for Chris, because I'm just going to make a good old sloppy joe, and then I'm going to pierce it with some toothpicks to help hold it together.
Okay.
I'm going to stick it in an egg wash, and then I'm going to put in some breadcrumbs and probably double do it, and then we're just going to see what happens.
Yeah, let's just.
So I'm going to start doing.
All right, you do that. So I made an omelet, and I made a pancake batter. As you saw, I was very inspired by the pancake aisle.
You are
at the grocery store.
I walked by and I noticed you like oohing and awing and all.
It's Hungry Jack. He was making me all hot. So what I did is for the batter, I used the pancake batter, the Hungry Jack pancake batter, and then just some oil and egg and milk. That's it. And I just mixed it together.
I think that's going to be yummy.
And I think so too. And my omelet was just as easy. It's basically I put some butter in a pan, threw my eggs in there, tried to. I like to think of myself as an omelet maker, but I'm really not.
Oh, yes, you are. You've made plenty of good omelets.
Then when the eggs were ready, I threw some salt and pepper in there, and then I threw the cheese, and then the ham and cheese.
Can I just show everyone? I don't think I mentioned this. So I've got meat on the bottom bun and meat on the top bun, and then I put 2 slices of good old melty American cheese in there, and I had to fold in the corners so they.
How's it going?
I don't know. I have no idea.
All right, so you got to seal those.
I got to seal the deal.
That's all right. Actually, it's kind of.
I think it might work.
Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I finished my omelet, which was a little salt, ham and cheese, and then I am going to take this omelet and I'm just going to fold it.
You know, I don't think I need to do these, but I'm not going to do the toothpicks. I'm going to forego the toothpicks. Because they're getting in the way.
So I'm going to take my omelet. I'm going to put it in my pancake batter. I'm going for a Denny's Grand Slam, y'all. All in one.
That actually sounds really good, Leslie.
All in one.
I cannot believe we're doing this. I'm going to move
You're going to get all messy.
I know. Well, it's Fridays. That's what happens.
Y'all. Oh, my hands and wow. This is a thick batter, Chris.
That's good. You want a good thick batter. Now,
Hold on.
I'm literally deep frying like a hamburger. It's just utter insanity.
It's awesome. Hold on, I've got to clean my hands off with all this batter. You gave me 2 forks, which I didn't see, so.
Oh, yeah, I'm thinking about you. Okay, this is going to be ridiculous. I can just tell you right now, but it may be the greatest thing since sliced bread.
Oh, I can't wait to see. Mine might be pretty good, too.
Mine may also be like the worst thing since anything.
Are you doing a double?
Oh yeah, I have to. It's got to be good and
just put it down in there. And
I
just sprinkle
did,
all
I
around.
did, but then it falls off. Okay, I want it really good and coated.
You're making a mess.
Well,
that's
Leslie,
all right.
How many times do you?
Are you ready?
Batter a sloppy Joe. I think I'm ready.
All right, I'm just going to use my hands.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Ready?
Here we go. Okay. Okay.
Come on. Come on.
All right. Okay, so far so good. It's not coming apart on me.
I can't believe it.
I know. I can't believe I'm frying a sloppy Joe.
Ooh, mine's looking a little delicious.
It is. All right. We'll see how it goes. Okay. My gosh, I think it actually, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Leslie, that looks fantastic.
I'm telling you, it's a Denny's Grand Slam all in one.
Mine's like a meteor from outer space or something.
Wow, look at that batter.
That's good.
I gotta be careful there. Oh my God.
I know. You guys, look at that.
That is a deep fried sloppy Joe.
Sloppy Joe. I cannot believe we actually have a deep fried sloppy Joe.
Oh, Chris, hold on. I gotta get this out.
Oh, good.
Oh, can I borrow your?
Yes, of course. Thank you. You guys.
Okay.
Again, I'm not sure you should try this at home, but again, you may these may be some of the best culinary creations of all time. That looks really good, Leslie. All right, as always, I'm not sure this is the best idea, but I'm going to drizzle a little bit of my my little Rotel sauce over
I'm
this.
so excited. You're putting it on.
I don't know why.
It's because we fried it. Sloppy Joe. Why wouldn't you put cheese sauce
pour
on
like
it?
cheese and queso over it?
All right, well, you guys, since I'm doing a little pancake, egg, and ham, inspired by Denny's Grand Slam.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw
A little
maple syrup on
maple
top.
syrup.
Here we go.
Go for it.
Did you heat this up for me?
Yes, I heated it up for you.
Thank you. Oh dear.
You could even do a little powdered sugar on that, but that may be going too far.
Ooh.
Okay, I am so intrigued to cut this thing open.
Yeah, you go first. I want to see.
I feel like it's like an alien movie or something. I'm just gonna cut straight. Okay.
Oh my, Chris. Oh my. Can people see?
Okay. I don't know.
Hold on. Let me open up mine.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That cheese melted beautifully on the inside.
You guys, I'm kind of digging this too.
Oh, that is beautiful, Wesley. We may have a couple of fryays here.
Oh, I hope you could see that. Okay. Oh.
I was convinced mine was going to be a fry.
All right. So I'm going to taste mine. You're going to taste yours. Then we're going to hand them to each other, and then we're going to give it the frye
Or the Friday. Okay.
Yes. All right. Hold on. Hold.
Oh my gosh. I always end up getting such giant pieces. Okay.
Oh my.
Imagine.
I'm going to reserve judgment until I taste yours. Ready?
Okay. Yeah. That's really, really good.
I know, that's delicious.
Yeah. That's odd. I know. I'm gonna say it's got all the flavor components there. Like, ooh, sloppy Joe. Crunchy exterior. The bread's a little weird. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna.
All right, I'm gonna judge yours.
Okay, judge it,
I'm
please.
gonna say this is a fry. Yay!
Yes! It is so good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like I want my omelets like that for the rest of my life.
Yes. Do you give this a fry yay?
I give that a fry, yeah.
Okay.
I give this a fry.
I wish we had a fry. Middle of the road. Let's give it a fry yay. I'm gonna give it a fry yay. It's good. Yay!
I hope you guys had as much fun as we did doing
We
this.
love you so much, and you know where we're gonna see you next Friday? Friday!